All right, so we're learning about the traffic light, and we're seeing how this could be useful to you. Well, as you see, green, yellow, red, green, yellow, red. Okay, so what's the point here? We are trying to avoid this. That is not what we want. We don't want that in our classrooms or in a playground, in the cafeteria. So how can we do it? How can we signal to each other about where we're at? Well, here we go. I have my own, a homemade one. Red, going back to the target, we're really feeling something. Maybe we're really feeling mad. Yellow, we're kind of feeling mad. And green, we're okay. Well, it'd be really useful here as I am walking around and I've got all these people around me, and if they try to come and they try to work out something when I am in red, that's probably not a good idea, because this could happen. Exactly, not a good time when I'm in red. So when I'm in yellow, that means caution. So red was danger, yellow is caution. We could probably work this out. We stand a decent chance. I'm not certain, because it could go either way. I could go from kind of to really mad in this situation. And I'm not quite yet to green. Now, if I'm in green, we're good. I am certain I can figure anything out with you. Hey, I'm in green, I'm okay. So whatever our conflict is, whatever our challenge is, if I'm in green, you know I can do it. But it's not just about me. I mean, look at all these cars. So let's say we have two people. They're here in the school and they're having a conflict. Imagine you are having a conflict with one of your classmates. So if one of you is in red and the other person is in red, you guys are not going to be able to work this out. No way, no how. It is not going to happen. But let's say one person's in red, one person's in yellow. How does that work? Well, it's iffy for this person and definitely not for this person. So if you see red, don't do it. Yeah, but what about if this person's in green and this person's in red? Still, the problem is this person's in red. They are not ready. It will end in a crash. It will not work out the way you want it to. Now, both people are in yellow. There's a possibility this could work out, but keep in mind, from yellow, it could go to red pretty quick. And they might be able to go to green. So use caution. Both people are in green. They can work out whatever conflict, whatever challenge it is. I am certain that they will, because they're both in green, be able to work it out. I mean, really, just getting better at the timing aspect and knowing that when you're in green, but somebody else is in red, having the self-control, the self-regulation will help conflicts go better. It's not the right time. And if you're in red, having the self-regulation, the self-control to know this is not the right time either to solve something. So the timing is really, really important. So that's what we have with the stoplights. This is a useful tool. If you have any questions, feel free to ask your teacher.